Hello viewers, we are using that pattern stamp here. We will apply on it, try to make different features there. Hello, we are using that pattern stamp. So there it is up on it. We'll use the different features to apply there and use that eraser tool. There we are make a different discussion. So we can use the eraser tool on it. It's a history brush tool as well.